The WAAD, World Association for Academic Doctors, third global conference was held from June 27th to the 30th of 2019 in Tampa, Florida, USA. The WAAD organization was founded by Dr. Henrietta Okoro, who proposed to transform the globe through socioeconomic development through the exchange of ideas to better mankind. Speakers from all over the world attended and were greatly appreciated for their ideas and presentations.
So welcome to South University. I hope you have a great conference. I've seen the agenda, read some of the notes on the keynotes. So welcome.
So when it comes to the means, this is going to be the ability to carry out an attack. Some people use scripts. I don't just use scripts. I like to do it manually. Because if I do it manually, it gives me an idea more of what you actually have in your systems, because I'm going to take the time to basically go through and do my recon, which I'll be talking about later, figure out where I really had those access points, and I don't have to just use the script in order to attack you, because I've already did my due diligence to find out how I can actually access your systems.
I'm at the United States Sports Academy in Alabama, and I'm in charge of the international programs there, but I'm not the important thing there. So we have here Dr. Pamela Allen from Thomas Edison State University, and Dr. Tommy Wallström from Finland. He's also my supervisor there. And what we're going to be doing when Dr. Okoro invited me to talk today, so I thought that it'll be more beneficial to all of us if we could have different perspectives. So we are going to try to do some kind of a panel.
So in the military, when we teach, they give us task, condition, and standards, okay? So my objectives today is to describe the historical role of women in the military service, outline the service of women across various sectors of the military from a global perspective. We want to discuss the advance of women in military service.
With that, by training and by experience, from the academic side of things, my training is in higher ed policy, law, ethics, and also cultural competence. And so when it comes into the scholarly portion of it, I like to hang my hat on that. But by day, in my role as the Associate Vice President and Dean of Students at the University of Miami, I'm a student affairs practitioner.
Okay, so like I mentioned when we were starting, we have participants from a lot of places. So from Northern American states, about 16 states. We have universities, about 13 universities, and countries, about 10 countries who registered for this conference.
Awards were given to some members for team building efforts and excellence in leadership. Conference presenters and attendees received a certificate of participation, and the 2019 new members were inducted. The global conference was wrapped up with a wonderful night out on a chartered boat, where the WAAD members and guests had a wonderful meal, dancing, and a waterside tour of the Tampa Bay area. Please join us in 2021 in New Orleans for another educationally enriching event. For details of the upcoming conference, visit our website. See you in New Orleans.